Oh, nothing. It's just wash day, and this is the most non-aesthetic video you're gonna get. Now, I like to detangle because I have microlinks in, and what I like to do is pre-treat my scalp, which unfortunately I have psoriasis there. I use a salicylic acid shampoo, and this just lifts the scales off my scalp. I like to wash in a comb motion. This prevents my curly, coily hair from tangling with my kinky straight. Child, the sink is still best for my back, but it still be hurting. 33 crew, where y'all at? Anyway, I'm using a color enhancing shampoo because, as you guys can see, your girl's a ginger. Your girl's a ginger. And I've been loving this color, and I'm just trying to make sure that my hair don't fall out at the same damn time. This is all that fell out though, so yes, well, came out. Now I'm washing my sink and showing you guys it because I had a viral video on Facebook and people were dragging me like, I don't clean my sink after. Like, what world do y'all live in? It's a damn sink. Anyway, chicken break. I'm going to be using my It's a 10 blow dry shields, and I'm going to show you guys how I can cut down my blow dry time. This stylist named Reese actually showed me this technique. Essentially, you section the hair in 4 and you pull it really taut, and that is going to make sure that you're like blow drying it while it's stretched. And you're not putting too much heat on the hair. And when I tell y'all this has been my saving grace, my hair has been flourishing using this method. I think you guys should try it. I'm just saying, blow drying is not for the faint of heart. And I feel like with extensions, this is the hardest part to do at home, which is why people love to book a stylist. But y'all know I'm here to help y'all save some coins. Now, you don't got to do it, but I'm just telling y'all. Okay, now I'm going to use my design essentials. And this is what I use before I flat iron. Now, I'm going to do what you call a silk press, a hot flat iron. I don't know a flat iron. And for my hair, I use the chase method with a comb. That's my hair right there, which is in between the tracks that you see right here. But for the tracks, because they're kinky straight, I'm going to be using a tension brush to chase. And what this is going to do is stretch my hair so that I only have to do one pass. And I think that's how I also preserve my extensions for so long. These extensions are about 3 years old from my hair company, the Crown Collection, that I'll be relaunching finally this summer. But this method, y'all, preserves my hair, preserves my extensions, and it just gets the job done. I have always been the DIY girl that wants to do the least to get the most because nobody got time for nothing else. Okay. So yeah, I love this method. If you guys try it, be sure to tag me in it and let me know how it works for you. But this will get you the salon finish without the salon work or price tag. Just use your EAP flat iron. I think this is one of the best flat irons on the market. I just love how the plates heat so fast. And I mean, y'all can't tell me that this is not a Dominican blowout. Now, it's hot in Atlanta. That's where I live now. And you guys can see, like, it's giving wash and set. But, like, did I get a blowout? No, I did it myself. Oh, sorry. I was feeling myself, but child, this is a long voiceover. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm trying my best to put out hair content because I hate how everything's become so aesthetic, and I was falling trapped to it. So I wasn't putting out content. But fuck all that. Oh, am I supposed to curse on this platform? Anyway, I still wanted that bouncy look. So what I did was use my T3 Micro Big Barrel. And what I did was use Velcro rollers to essentially just give this baby some body. And I went to bed with these rollers in. Yes, y'all, I don't know how, but I have this little funky pillow and it just helps the sister out. I rolled all my hair. I purposely showed you guys how I rolled the top because I didn't do anything special. But I know that sometimes, like, when you guys see these videos and you don't get the results, it's almost like you left a clip out. And it's like, no, babe, I didn't. I did not. So that's why I included all this, because it's just so much. But I curled the hair at my crown going backwards. And then that first portion, I used a larger roller because I kind of just wanted that, like, curtain bang, look. Anyway, you guys will see at the end what I mean. I should have recorded myself taking this down because I feel like that's the most satisfying part. But your girl didn't for that. I'm sorry. But this is what we look like straight out the rollers. I love these microlinks because they're so versatile. I can part my hair virtually anywhere. I usually don't like my hair the first day, but I had to film a video, so this is what she gave. But the second day, do y'all see that shit? Yeah, I know you see it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Love you. Bye.